this first part of the course, let's dive into the importance of sleep and health, common problems related to that, the science of sleep, understanding sleep cycles and all of that, the benefits of quality sleep, the importance of sleep in terms of immune system, helping the immune system protect the body, causes of poor sleep from a scientific point of view. And also we'll take a look at psychological aspects that could affect this. Will cross path, east and west, creative and sleep conductive environment, things we can do to create an environment where we can sleep in a proper way, establish healthy sleep habits, some sleep disorders, what causes the symptoms, natural remedies for sleep. In that segment of the course, we're going to be focusing a lot on points, acupressure points to stimulate the functions of qi, the circulation of qi. And then we're going to also be using Qigong movements. Qigong is a type of exercise that is designed to improve the circulation of Qi in the body. Movement, any kind of movement helps. Qigong is specifically designed to help Qi move in the body, improve the circulation, strengthen the internal organs, and eventually the body works better and the symptoms dissipate or lessen. The effect of medications on sleep, we touch on that. Foods that will promote sleep, exercise and sleep, the connection between these two. The impact of screen time can affect sleep and mental health, depression, and those other things, how they can be impact your sleep. Sleep and aging, changes in sleep pattern as we age. Children sleep, recommended sleep hours by age. And then when to seek professional help, because sometimes things are to the place where a professional help is needed. Very important. And then we'll take a recap look and the importance of prioritizing sleep for the overall health and well-being.